Okay, I'm putting up a vid for the Hurricane TV guys. Here's the artwork. The Sanwa buttons look pretty good. I'm not too fond of the color scheme I picked out, but I don't want to spend another $30 on buttons. Here's the joystick and dust cover system. It's pretty good. And yeah. All in all, it's a really fun mod. You know, just give you a nice personal touch. Okay, so my announcement is that the next video is going to be starting the dual system mod. I want to say that if you follow the video, I take no responsibility for what you do with your joystick. If you break it, you're on your own. Also, I want to say I'm using a Hulu board, which is a PS3 PC joystick circuit board. So my Fightstick's a 360. So if you want to do it the other way, go from a PS3 Fightstick to a 360 Fightstick. What you're gonna have to do is buy a 360 controller, rip it apart, take out the circuit board, and start labeling the pinouts there. You have to look out what your pinouts are, and you're gonna have to rig it that way. I don't really suggest that because it's you know, you're hacking into a 360 PCB. So yeah, good luck with that. Alright, so I hope to see you in the next video.